So I get questions all the time on how to light the offset smoker. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I light my Lone Star Grillz offset. Now, first of all, I don't think there's any one way to light an offset smoker. I've used several different methods. This is just one that I've recently settled upon. It seems to have good results. And I know plenty of people who light their smokers the same way. So I'm just going to show you this method and hopefully it's something that you find useful. Now, first of all, you'll notice in the firebox, I have what's called the fire management basket from Lone Star Grillz. Now, Lone Star Grillz did send me this smoker and that basket last year. I really appreciate that. I love this smoker. It is super efficient, and the fire management basket makes it even more efficient. So let me show you how I do this. First thing I like to do is dump a good amount of lump charcoal into the fire management basket. Now, this same method works whether you have the basket or not. Next thing, I like to put a pair of tumbleweeds, they're called, and they're fire starters, and I put it on the base of the firebox. Then I go ahead and light these tumbleweeds. Then I like to push one of them further back and adjust their positions. Now, my exhaust vent stack is open, and I like to leave the door open for a while here as those coals come up to temp and get to a good base of burning hot coals. So we've been going about 3 minutes here, and when we start to see those orange glowing edges, that's when I like to get in and mix it up a little bit. Now I'm going to let these keep going for probably another 5 minutes. All right, we are just about 5 minutes of burn time after we last checked, and the temp of the offset is up to almost 125 degrees just on this charcoal. Like I said, it's a very efficient cooker. Now, I'm going to add some wood. Now, because of the fire management basket, one of the things I've found is I don't need huge splits of wood. So I have my wood supplier just cut them in half. At this point, I'll usually add 2 pieces just to get us going and really develop that bed of coals. And I'm just going to leave the firebox door open until we get some good flame rolling. All right, with some good flames rolling, I'm going to go ahead and close the firebox door and open my damper all the way. And what I've found is from this point, it usually takes about 5 minutes to reach somewhere around 225 to 250. All right. Been going about 5 minutes. Temperature is coming up to about 250. It's probably going to take another 5 minutes for the smoke to settle down. That's usually what I find. Start getting a little bit more of a cleaner burn. And let's say I'm not getting a clean enough burn and I want more airflow to really establish that fire. I'll just crack the door a little bit. Just get that good air going, let that fire develop. So I usually find it takes about 20 to 30 minutes after I light the lump charcoal until I have, good smoke and the temp I want, somewhere around 250 to put the food on. And I think you can see just from cracking the door there for just a little bit, the smoke has changed. It's a lot cleaner. So now I can go ahead and close that door. So that's how I light my offset. I've used many different methods. They work, but this is the one I've settled upon. You just need to find the one that works for you. This one may not work for you with your particular cooker, but I found for me and this Lone Star Grillz, this one really, really does the job.